Alright everybody, hello, greetings, and welcome. I am Jeff the Christian Gamer. Today we are going to unbox the Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Collector's Edition that I was able to find pretty much by luck. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this thing. I'm going to take my handy dandy box opening device, and we're gonna be very careful to only cut the seal of the box. Let's go ahead and flip this up really quick. Let me see. Okay, this box is chunky. Good job, Nintendo, for your chunky box, but I can't open it. There it is. Alright. Now that that's a thing, we can go ahead and... Oh, that's cool. So, I haven't actually gotten a chance to look at this thing. That is awesome right there. Let's go ahead and move that up. And then we're going to take out the, I guess the top thing here. Maybe it's actually the bottom thing. Okay, it says Icon Art on it. And it was upside down this whole time. Icon art poster instructions. Nothing on the back of there, so I'm gonna take a look at that in a minute. Alright. Steel poster. Ooh, steel poster. I have not seen very many steel posters in life. That is not the poster, that is a card. In fact, we're gonna put that card underneath that. Okay. Alright, steel poster, what you got? Oh, that didn't work out at all. Okay, instead, there's a something on here. What is that something? Important for reliable adhesion. Oh, okay. So magnet. That is a magnet for the steel poster, which of course sticks on the back of the steel poster, which is why I could not pull that paper off. I have no idea where I'm putting this, but it looks freaking amazing. Wow. That is cool. They got the little sides rolled over here. I'm guessing that's where you put the magnet. Yeah, that is awesome. Okay, so that's the one thing there, and the instructions for that I'm going to go over on my own time. And take that, put it to the side. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that there so it'll look all cool in the display. Alright, anything else in there? I don't think so, but I'm gonna take it apart anyway. Nope, nothing left in there. Alright, cool stuff. So that's what's in that box, is a steel poster, pretty cool. Of course it says steel poster on there, so that's how you know that that's what's in there. Then we're gonna take out the next, oh, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over because I think I had it upside down. And we're gonna take this guy out of there. Gonna set the box. I'm gonna move that over. Set the box over there so you can still see it. And then we're gonna check out this guy. What is this guy? Let's see what he is. Interesting looking container. Just says Legends of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom on it, so we're gonna go ahead and delicately open this bad boy. And then we are going to slide the box out of the packaging. Alright. So when I push on that, does it come out of there? Does it come out? Yes, yes it does. Alright. So we have, oh, what are these? Let's see. Okay, Okay, they look like rune, yep, they're rune pins. Oh my goodness, these are so cool. I'm gonna get a close-up on that one. You guys can see it, hopefully. But yeah, they're little, very substantial pins. They're very meaty, very heavy feeling. I'm gonna go ahead and slip that back in the case so I can pin those up on something later. I have no idea what I'm gonna put that on yet. Put this to the side. All right. Next piece of the puzzle looks like the game itself and a metal tin case to go with it. Oh my goodness. All right, so metal case. That is, yeah, it's just a case for the game. It is another chunky, substantial feeling device. It is plastic on the inside, so it might actually be kind of cheap as far as longevity is concerned, but yeah, that's pretty nice looking. Go ahead and make sure you guys can see that symbol on there. And the back side. Pretty darn cool, man. Alright, we're gonna put that right there. And then we're gonna go for the game and put it to the side because I don't really need to jump in there just yet. I'm actually gonna be playing this on the channel. Let's see here. The next thing I see, oh, we're just gonna put this on the other side over there. Next thing I see is a book of some kind. Legends of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. I'm going to go ahead and open this very carefully. This is an art book, if I remember correctly, based on the direct that they had about Tears of the Kingdom and what the package would include. Let's see. Just double check and make sure that is what I'm thinking it is. Yep, art book. Very cool art book, actually. Oh, we got a lot of fun stuff in there. Yeah, oh my goodness, that's so awesome. So, yeah, I'm going to look through this book. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look through that book later because it looks like it's gonna be awesome. Let's see. 204 pages of awesome Zelda art that I am going to partake in at my own leisure. But yeah, that is everything that was in the Tears of the Kingdom Collector's Edition. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. I am Jeff the Christian Gamer. If you'd like to like and or subscribe, please do that by following the links in the video or in the description. If you'd like to check out other videos I've done, please do that by clicking on the links in this video. I also have a Facebook and a Twitter. Check those out to see when I release new content. I have another channel now that goes over different types of non-game related tech, so check that out. It's called The Ninjaneer. There will be a link for that in the description as well. Again, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I know it's been a really long time since I put out a video, but here we go. Here's hoping that I'll be able to put out more videos in the future of Tears of the Kingdom, maybe a first impressions video and perhaps a review. I am working on several reviews, by the way, so for those of you who are wondering what I am doing, I am working on reviews and my other channel, building the base of that channel up as well. So yeah, man, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video, this unboxing. Prepare yourselves for the next one because it's going to be awesome, and have a great day.